want to know where I can go when you're not around.
Hey guys, I need to stop doing that. Today is a Monday and I want to do like a DIY body lotion, like the Shea Moisture body lotion. That's what I want to show you guys. My sister's the one who's actually making it, but I'm gonna go help her out and help her film and everything, and I want to show you guys. So by the way, you see this thing right here? I played with a pimple that I had. Actually didn't play, I really like extracted it because it was like blackhead and it wasn't coming out, so I pressed it and now it left me a scar. It's gonna go in a few days, if not a few weeks, so that's it. Yeah, let's go. Oh, the lighting is so weird. And okay, so what we need is some shea butter. This is organic shea butter and coconut oil. This they can taste 100% virgin coconut oil. You can find this from any supermarket. I'm gonna use some random glass jars to put the final product in. These are just some recycled glass jars from like coconut oil and other random stuff. Then these are the oils we're going to use to mix the shea butter, like the body butter. So we're going to have avocado oil, then we have argan oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, and this is the essential oil we're going to use for like scenting, and this is wild rose oil. Now I'm sure you can find all these oils from like HealthyU or like your, but these are 100% jojoba oil and 100% like argan oil. Okay, so we've emptied our coconut oil and our shea butter in this container. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna double boil, meaning we're just gonna put hot water and melt these oils, just these oils, because you don't want to like heat your essential oils. Okay, so now we're gonna add like half of this argan oil in here. A little bit more. Gonna mix that, and then grapeseed oil. And then this is jojoba oil, and we're just gonna add half of that as well. And we're gonna mix all these oils. Okay, so next we're gonna add a little bit of avocado oil. It's rich in vitamin C and vitamin A, so if you feel like you have dry skin, you can use a little bit more of this. Also with like the other oils, depending on your preference and your skin type, you can like vary the amount you want to use. Okay, so now we're at the scenting stage. You can use a bunch of essential oils, but I prefer lavender and wild rose because they smell nice. So we're gonna add like 6 drops of this, and then next we're gonna go in with the lavender scent. So depending on how much you want the scent to appear or how little, you just adjust the levels of the oil. So we're gonna add a little bit of tea tree oil. This one is from HealthyU. It's not focusing, so we're just gonna add a couple of drops because tea tree oil is quite like strongly scented. So after cooling down the coconut oil plus the shea butter, we added the other liquid oils, and then we put it in the fridge so that it can semi-solidify, and then now we're whipping it. So this is the final consistency. It looks like cream and so smooth and fluffy, and it smells so good. It smells like lavender. TV is playing, but we're gonna try a test demo of how moisturizing and oily it is on our hand. And we're gonna I have to do this in daylight. Thursday night. I know from yesterday the vlogs, I just showed you like clips of me studying and whatnot, and honestly that was it. I didn't do anything much. I haven't been doing anything much, to be honest, all week. I want to have like a pamper night. I want to do like a face mask. I want to wash my hair. I just want to take a really long nice shower. And cool down before another heavy day at school tomorrow. I don't know if I should do like a clear mask, which I feel like that my skin needs that, like a deep post cleanse. I should do that instead of doing like an acid. I could do like the acid over the weekend. The sheet masks that I use are just like a collection of a variety of masks. This one is, I don't know if I mentioned it before, the Garnier's Moisture Bomb Tissue Mask. It is my absolute fave. And then I have like an olive one, a Real Nature olive one. Then I have this double one, which I feel like I need to do a video demo on it. It's like one side the black peel off mask with like the charcoal peel off mask, and then it's brightening and tightening. Then I have the brightening mask, which is the replenish and whiten. I don't even know what that whiten stands. Experience the dual results in instant fair. These ones are from Malaysia, by the way. My sister bought them over when she traveled. Then there's the nano intensive brightening mask, brightens, hydrates for brighter and glowing skin. And then I have this green tea one, which from the Face Shop. It's the Real Nature as well. Oh, this is Nature Republic, and this is the Face Shop. This is green tea, which I feel like I should use. And then should I do the volcanic? It's so weird though. I've never used this one. I feel like it's even dry at this point. But it's like a clay mask, which is so weird to me because it says clay face mask, but it's a sheet mask formulated with sebum absorbing jeju albonic ash. We do have a formulated with city defender complex sulfide fine dust single use face mask. We have like the actual like clay mask for this jeju, but we got it in like a sheet mask as well, so I'm curious to try that. I'm probably going to decide what I want to wear. I'm not going to use this obviously because I am going to do clay mask, but I'm gonna wear one of these, probably like there's also a honey one somewhere. I don't know where I put it, but I also have like a honey one, but I think I'm just gonna use either this or this, one of the two. And fun fact, not fun fact, but like a beauty tip, especially if you're planning to use your sheet mask like in the morning or something, I don't know, I put mine like in the fridge for like a few minutes, like 10-15 minutes, and then take it out. Emphasizes on that like cooling effect, especially after clay mask, because it leaves my skin red and hot and all that stuff. But this fixes everything. Who I use is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Shampoo. I've talked about the shampoo before, my absolute fave. I'm currently almost out. I need to restock on these. And the conditioner I use is the Tresemme Perfectly Undone Weightless Moisturizing Conditioner with sea kelp and silicone free. I really like Tresemme's products. You also use their shampoos and everything. And that's it. And do like a body scrub. Probably like I have this one by Clarins. It's like a baobab extract like body scrub, so I might roughly use that. But usually when I shower, I don't use the loofah because I don't think it does the best job. We use like these gloves. Actually, my whole family uses it. We use like the exfoliating gloves, and that's so much better at like exfoliating your skin on a daily basis. You don't have like dead skin buildup. It leaves your skin smooth, fresh, and it's not like harsh. You can control the pressure you want on different parts of your body, which is good, so you don't have that like build up where you have to, you know what I mean? I don't know, you guys should try the gloves. You can find them everywhere, but that's it. Let me just jump in the shower, get my face mask on, and then I'll see you guys. I just took a shower and I realized, sorry, my eyes are like bloodshot red. That kind of happens when you're from the shower. But I just got out of the shower and I used the body butter that we made like early in this vlog. That's what we use now. It smells so good. It's such a fresh like eucalyptusy lavendery smell. That makes sense. But we use tea tree oil and it's so moisturizing. Do you see that? It leaves the skin super glowy and super hydrated. And I know I had plans of doing a mask and all that, but it's so late. It's like 1 a.m. and I need to be up early tomorrow, so we're gonna postpone that. I'm just gonna do like my skincare routine, which you guys have seen a million times, but I plan on doing a detailed video, and then heading to sleep. I'll probably do the skincare tomorrow or Saturday by now, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. To go friends and sees me talking to my phone. I need to go find some lunch. Hey guys, this whole week's vlog has been sketchy. I didn't even vlog the whole week. I have like a few clips that you guys just watched. So the reason why I haven't been consistent is because I've just been studying for school and preparing for the projects and all that stuff. So I didn't have time like to pull out my camera because I could like get carried away and all that stuff. But if it's Sunday, it's like in the evening. I was reading like early in the morning, and now I am going to find some food. That's it for now.